English speaking course. What did you do last weekend? Hey, Liam. What a surprise to see you here.
Hey, Sarah. Same here. What are you up to?
Oh, just grabbing an iced latte. It's so hot out. What did you do last week? I feel like I haven't seen you in forever.
Yeah, it's been crazy busy. I was working on a big project all week, but I finally finished it yesterday. What about you? Did you do anything fun?
Working on a project sounds intense. Glad you finished. For me, last week was pretty chill. I spent most of the time reading that book you recommended. Remember? The one about the surfing competition?
Oh, yeah, right. Waves of Courage. Did you like it?
Loved it. Made me want to learn how to surf, actually.
Maybe we could check out some lessons sometime?
Do you have any hobbies? Mind if I sit here? Not at all. Hey, Maya. How was your day? It was good. Thanks for asking. Relaxing, mostly. What about you? Did you do anything fun? Actually, yeah. I went hiking with some friends on Saturday. It was a beautiful trail with a great view at the top. Sounds awesome. Do you have any hobbies like that? Hiking, I mean? Hiking's definitely one of them. I also love reading and going to the movies. What about you? Anything you like to do in your free time? Reading sounds nice. I haven't had much time for that lately. But I do love to bake. Like cookies, cakes, all sorts of things. It's relaxing for me. Maybe you could bake us some cookies sometime? I'd be happy to be your taste tester. Sure, maybe. We could even try a new recipe together sometime. What is your favorite food?
Daniel, what's for lunch today? Just a sandwich and some fruit. Healthy stuff. What about you? Same here. Boring salad. I wish I had something more exciting. Well, you could always have some of my sandwich. It's ham and cheese. Pretty classic. Thanks, but I'm good. Speaking of exciting food, what's your favorite food? If you could eat anything right now, what would it be? Oh, that's a tough one. Maybe some spicy noodles from that new place downtown? They're incredible. Spicy noodles? Sounds interesting. I haven't tried them yet. Do they have anything vegetarian? For sure. They have lots of options. We should go try it together sometime. Maybe next weekend? I'm always up for trying new food.
Where do you like to travel? Wow, this place is beautiful. It looks like a postcard. Right? I'm glad you like it. This is Capri, a famous island near Naples. Amazing! So, where do you like to travel the most? Beach places like this? Or somewhere else? I love beaches for relaxing, for sure. But I also enjoy cities with a lot of history, like Rome or London. There's always something new to learn. Me too. Last summer, I went to Prague. The buildings were incredible, especially the old castle. Prague sounds amazing. Maybe someday we can travel together? We could find a place with both beaches and history.
Now that's an idea. Greece, maybe? They have beautiful islands and amazing ruins, too. We could even learn a few basic Greek phrases before we go.
Deal. This trip is already giving me ideas for the next one. Do you have any pets?
Wow, that's an amazing throw. Your dog is super fast.
And thanks. This is Charlie. He loves to play fetch. What about your cute dog?
This is Max. He likes to sniff around for squirrels, but he loves to play too. Do you have any other pets besides Charlie?
Nope, Charlie's my only pet. What about you? Any other pets at home?
Actually, I have an old cat named Mittens. He mostly tolerates Max, but he would never chase a frisbee.
Cats are always so dignified. Maybe Mittens would like a nap in the sun while we play fetch?
Probably a good idea. Listen, it was nice meeting you and Charlie.
What is your favorite movie? Hey, Ethan! Small world seeing you here.
Hey, Ava. Yeah, a crazy coincidence. Just grabbing a coffee before my next class. What about you?
Same here. Studying for that literature test tomorrow? Those poems are confusing.
You can say that again. But I did find Ode to a Nightingale kind of beautiful. Nature and all that.
Interesting. What's your favorite movie? Sometimes movies can explain things books can't.
That's a tough one. Maybe Spirited Away? It's an animated movie, but the story about growing up is amazing. Have you seen it?
Actually, no. But it sounds interesting. Would you want to watch it with me sometime?
I'd love that. We could grab coffee and popcorn. Make a whole night of it.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, not at all. Please, take a seat.
Thanks. Busy day?
Just finishing up some work for class. You?
Same here. Heading to a lecture on ancient Egypt. I love history.
Cool. I just finished reading a book about Cleopatra. She was really interesting.
Do you enjoy reading books often? Not many people I know do these days.
Absolutely. There's just something about getting lost in a good story. What about you? Any favorite genres?
I do like a good mystery novel every now and then. Something to keep me guessing.
Mysteries are fun. Maybe we can swap recommendations sometime?
I'd like that.
What kind of music do you like?
Oh, no, I'm so sorry. Let me help you pick those up.
No worries, it happens. Thanks for the help.
Wow, Led Zeppelin? Those guys are legends. You a big fan?
Absolutely. Stairway to Heaven is one of my favorite songs. What about you? What kind of music do you like?
Mostly electronic music. Anything with a good beat. This new remix album by DJ Kai is great. Have you heard it?
Not yet. I usually stick to classic rock and some indie stuff. Maybe we could trade some suggestions sometime.
I could introduce you to some electronic music that might surprise you.
Okay. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime and swap playlists?
Sounds like a deal. By the way, I'm Paul. And you are?
I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you, Paul.
How do you spend your free time?
Phew, that grammar explanation was confusing.
Tell me about it. Past perfect continuous tense? Sounds like a tongue twister.
Right? At least the upcoming activity looks fun.
True. Writing a fake movie review? I wonder what kind of movie we can choose.
Maybe something spooky? A haunted house comedy?
Sounds interesting, but I wouldn't mind doing something with more action. Like a superhero movie.
Oh, I'm not a huge fan of superhero movies. They all seem kind of the same.
Fair enough. What do you like to watch in your free time? Maybe we can get some inspiration.
I mostly watch documentaries or historical dramas. Learning about different cultures and time periods is fascinating.
Documentaries, huh? Not really my thing, but I can see the appeal. What do you do in your free time besides watching movies?
Well, I enjoy reading and going for walks. Sometimes I even try to write short stories myself.
Wow, that's cool. Writing can be tough. Maybe you can share one of your stories with me sometime.
Maybe. But first, let's focus on this crazy grammar activity.
Agreed.
Do you play any sports?
Oh, finally. That history lecture felt like forever.
I couldn't agree more.
What are you up to this afternoon, Joe?
Probably just chilling at home, catching up on some homework. What about you? Any exciting plans?
Actually, yeah. I'm meeting some friends for a game of volleyball down at the beach. Want to join?
Volleyball, huh? Sounds fun. I used to play a bit in high school, but I'm not sure I'm exactly beach ready.
Oh, come on. Don't be a scaredy cat. It's all about having fun, not winning a championship. Besides, the sand is soft and the water's amazing if you get too hot.
You make a good point. Do you play any sports regularly? Or is this just a casual thing?
I try to play volleyball whenever I can. It's a great workout, and being outside is always nice. Do you play any sports?
I used to play basketball a lot, but these days it's mostly just pick-up games with friends. Maybe if you ever need someone on your volleyball team, I could give it a shot.
Consider it done. The more the merrier, right? So, are you in for some beach fun or not?
All right, you convinced me.
Perfect. See you down there in a bit, Joe.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.